Hello everyone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been in a group project where one person ended up doing all the work? It's frustrating, isn't it? This happens when responsibilities are unclear and no one takes accountability. It is a common problem, but it's preventable. In this lecture, we will talk about delegation and accountability. These are essential skills for achieving goals, whether you're leading a team or playing your part in one. In this lecture, you will understand why delegation is vital for teamwork, learn how to assign responsibilities clearly, discover strategies to ensure accountability in achieving goals. Why delegation matters. Delegation is the act of assigning tasks to others. It is not about passing off work you do not want to do. It's about ensuring the right person does the right job. Done well, delegation improves efficiency and frees leaders to focus on the bigger picture. Imagine a small business owner trying to handle everything: marketing, customer service, inventory. It's impossible to sustain. They burn out. Opportunities slip through their fingers. But if they delegate marketing to an expert, they can focus on growing the business. Delegation isn't just practical, it is empowering. When you trust people with responsibilities, they feel valued. They rise to challenge. They perform better. Think of delegation as a relay race. Each runner has a specific distance to cover before passing the baton. If one runner isn't ready or slows down, the whole team suffers. Success depends on every member knowing their role and doing their part. Effective delegation ensures the baton is passed smoothly and the team finishes strong. How to delegate effectively? The first step in delegation is matching tasks to the right skills. Assign tasks to people who have the ability to do them well. For example, if your team needs a creative marketing campaign, give the task to someone with experience in marketing and a knack for thinking outside the box. This ensures quality work without the need for constant supervision. Next, set clear expectations. Vague instructions lead to confusion. Be specific about what needs to be done, what the outcome should be, and when it's due. Do not just say, handle customer complaints. Instead, say, resolve all customer complaints within 24 hours and update the satisfaction log. Clarity eliminates guesswork and keeps the team focused. Finally, provide resources and support. Delegation does not end with handling off a task. The person must have what they need to succeed. If they're preparing a presentation, make sure they have access to the right data, tools, or support from other departments. Giving them the tools they need ensures progress and avoids unnecessary setbacks. Let's talk about the role of accountability. Delegation falls apart without accountability. It ensures that tasks are not just assigned, but completed. Accountability starts with regular check-ins. These meetings track progress, solve problems, and keep the team motivated. For instance, a weekly review of task update keeps everyone on track and allows adjustments if needed. Accountability isn't just about tracking work, it's also about recognizing it. When someone meets or exceeds expectations, acknowledge their effort. Recognition motivates others and strengthens commitment. At Google, managers delegate tasks to teams based on expertise. For instance, the development of Google Maps involved engineers, designers, and project managers, each with a clear role. One team worked on the interface, another refined navigation accuracy. Regular progress reviews ensured accountability. These meetings allowed challenges to surface early and kept the project on track. The result? A reliable tool used by millions worldwide. Google's success shows the power of clear delegation and strong accountability. Think about a group project you've worked on or want to start. Write down how you would delegate tasks to each member and explain how you would ensure accountability. Delegation and accountability are the foundation of successful teamwork. Delegation ensures the right person handles the right task, and accountability ensures that work gets done. What do you think makes delegation effective? Have you ever seen accountability improve teamwork? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next one.